Hi students. The Hukilai Song is a Hawaiian song that has an intro, and we were told by a student that these are always done on the upstroke. And then when we start singing, "Oh, we're going," then we're down, down, up, down, down, up, down, as the way we will strum this song. So this one is D7th. Now D7th, we know D7th is shown as this in most chord books. So it would go. But we can also play D7th as a as two fingers like this. Let me get the microphone here. So in other words, so this would be D7th, first finger on the second fret of the fourth string, and the second finger on the second fret of the second string. And if we go up, oh, we're go, then we start like that. Okay, let's look at the chart. 4 chords. D7th, we'll play it with 2 fingers. And this is kind of a quick clip. Let me slow it down just a hair. Here we go. Let's try it. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, ready, intro. Swishing down in old Bahia Bay. And then the next verse is the same as the first. Let's look at okay, from the second verse to the end. A 1, 2, 3. Oh, we're going to a Hukilai. Skies where the lovely hula hoop maidens roll their eyes with the silvery moon shining above. The Connies and Wahinis sing song about love. Paradise now at the Hukilai. A hooky, 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 hooky-lau. I'll skip the instrumental. 3, 4. We throw our nets out into the sea, and all the my come swim to me. Oh, we're going to a Hukilai, a hooky, 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 a hooky, 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 hooky-lau. And then the intro again. Okay, have fun.